I'm Keri Glassman, registered dietitian, and I am teaming up with Dr. Whitney Bowe and Good Morning America to help you get your skin to glow in 2022. One of the easiest things we can do to get our skin to glow is to stay properly hydrated. When we're hydrated, our skin is less likely to dry out. We eliminate toxins, and we also have better skin cell turnover. When we have better skin cell turnover, our skin is going to glow more. It's going to look more vibrant. One thing I like to do, and I recommend, is drinking 1 cup of green tea a day to take your hydration up a notch. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that have anti-inflammatory properties and also antimicrobial properties. Green tea can also help prevent acne and/or clear up acne, and also prevent melanoma and non-melanoma skin cancers. So stay hydrated and get that 1 cup of green tea in a day.